Look, right now, somewhere in your house, there's at least one broken thing. A cracked phone, a charger that only works if you hold it at a certain angle, earphones that stop working on one side. And every time you see it, you say the same thing. I'll fix it later. But later never comes. Instead, you go to a shop, you spend 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, and you come back home thinking, Yad, this looked easy. I could have done it. Yeah, that's literally you. And here's the thing. You're not losing money because things are expensive. You're losing money because you never learned how to fix them. My name is Mac, and I spend my time in repairing different products. If you're someone who needs to save money, stop wasting cash on small repairs, and want to learn how to fix things at home, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. This is not just another repair channel. This is your Motivational Power Lab, a place where you don't just watch videos, you actually change your mindset. Because here's what most people don't realize. Repairing is not about tools. It's about control. Control over your money, control over your skills, control over your life. Look, every time something breaks, you have two options. Option 1. Go to a repair shop, pay money, and solve the problem for now. Option 2. Learn once and fix it forever. But most people? They always choose option 1 because it's easy. But easy is expensive. And this is where it gets really interesting. An average person spends around 10,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees every year on small repairs. Think about that. That's money going out, again and again, for problems that are actually simple. Now imagine this. If you just learned one skill, just one, you could save most of that money. And not just save, you could even start earning. Now, you might be thinking, repairing is difficult. I don't have skills. Look, that's not true. That's just what you've been told. Learning repair is like learning to cook something simple. First time, you're confused. Second time, you follow steps. Third time, you don't even think. Same process. Let me tell you something real. There was a guy, just like you. His phone screen broke. Shop asked for 2,500 rupees. He checked online. Same screen was 700 rupees. But he didn't try. Why? Fear. Then after some days, his charging port stopped working. Another 800 rupees gone. Total loss, more than 3,000 rupees. All because he didn't take one step. Now imagine if he had tried once. He could have saved money. Or even better, he could have earned from it. Because here's what most people don't realize. Once you learn one repair, people around you start noticing. Friends, family, neighbors. And suddenly, you're not the guy who spends money. You're the guy who solves problems. All right, now let's make this practical. No overthinking. Here's exactly how you start today. Step 1. Find one broken item in your house. Don't search outside. It's already there. Step 2. Don't aim for perfection. Your goal is not to become expert today. Your goal is to start. Step 3. Watch only 1 or 2 videos, not 20. Too much information creates confusion. Step 4. Follow slowly. No hurry. Understand what you're doing. Step 5. Even if you fail, learn from it. Because learning is more important than fixing. And here's what most people don't realize. Your first repair is not about fixing the product. It's about fixing your fear. Once that fear is gone, everything becomes easier. This is where your mindset changes. You stop saying, I can't do this. And you start saying, let me try. And that one line changes everything. Now imagine your future. 1 month from now, you fix your own phone. You fix your charger. You save money. 3 months from now, you fix things for others. You earn your first 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees. 6 months from now, people come to you. You don't depend on shops anymore. You become the solution. And it all started with one step. Now listen carefully. You don't need a big setup. You don't need expensive tools. Just create your own small power lab at home. A table, some basic tools, good lighting. That's it. That place becomes your learning zone, your earning zone, your growth zone. Look, nobody is coming to fix your financial life. Not your friends, not your family. It's you. And the good news? You don't need big money. You don't need a degree. You just need to start. One repair, one step, one decision. So here's your mission. Today, not tomorrow, find one broken thing in your house and try to fix it. And when you do, comment, Power Lab started, because that's the moment everything changes. And if you want to save money, learn real skills, and build something from zero, make sure you subscribe, because this is just the beginning.